Ruth Bader Ginsburg, U.S. Supreme Court Justice, passed at 87. As many of you know, today Ruth Bader Ginsburg passed away at 87. She was affectionately known as Notorious RBG. She joined the Supreme Court in 1993 under Bill Clinton, and despite battling cancer 5 times during her term, she faithfully fulfilled her role until her passing. She was known for her progressive stance in matters such as abortion rights, same-sex marriage, voting rights, immigration, healthcare, and affirmative action. 5 battles with cancer during her term. Rest in peace. Edit. Lol. The dozens of you commenting, messaging me saying how her passing is somehow a victory for the Republicans or Trump should take a long, hard look at yourselves. Fuck. I'm not American. What does this mean for you guys? Republicans fought tooth and nail to prevent a Supreme Court justice being appointed in an election year 4 years ago. Time to see hypocrisy of the highest order from McConnell. And not a single conservative will care. No matter how far the courts are stacked. It's too bad all we can see in the Supreme Court is the D or R when it shouldn't matter. Justice is no longer blind. Yeah, a megathread is probably best for this. Rip to her. On AskReddit? This way mods have a blanket excuse to purge the inevitable wave of now that RBG has passed. Will the Supreme Court ban Delphine selling bathwater type of ignorant shitposts? What next? Haven't we had enough for 1 year already? There's a lot of disrespect in this thread, and would it be too unreasonable to have more reverence to this comments in this post? Regardless of what side of the aisle you support, this was an intelligent, resilient, and wise woman. She gave judgments that benefited both sides and fought hard so she could retire peacefully in dignity. 40 years serving from the bench, and she battled cancer 5 times, people. There's no reason to fight her spirit now too. No matter which party you support, you can admire her spirit to show up and deliver sound judgments. Give credit to her will to fight for liberty for all. She was not infallible, she was human. Like you, she made mistakes. It's been 10 years, she served the US well, and I hope she will meet her husband again. RIP.